So we were given problem 2A6. You're given VA, which is the velocity of point A. You're given little r, which is this little radius, and then big R, which is the radius of the whole disk. And then you're asked to find omega and VO, the velocity of O. So we know that VC is equal to 0. And then you can put VA, to solve for omega, we're putting VA in terms of VO, which would be this equation plus omega cross R of A in terms of O. So, you know VA is given as 2, so we'll do 2, and that is in the positive I direction. And then VO, or VC, we were doing it in terms of VC. VC is 0. And then you have omega, which you're trying to find. That is in the K direction. And then you're doing cross R, AC, which is from C to A, which is big R minus little r in the positive J direction. So that'll end up being 2I equals, so K cross J gives you negative I. So you'll have negative omega RAC I. Since that's all in I, you can take out the i's. You get 2 equals negative omega, and then RAC is big R minus little r, so 0.8 minus 0.4. And then you solve for omega, which would be negative 2 over 0.4 is equal to omega, which is equal to negative 5. Now you have omega, you can do the same equation but for VO instead of VA. So you do VO in terms of VC plus omega cross R of O with respect to C. So VO is what we're trying to find, so VO is equal to VC, which is 0, plus omega, which we just found to be negative 5K. So it's negative 5K cross ROC is just big R, the outer radius, and it's from C to O, so it's in the positive J direction. So it's 0.8 J. And then K cross J is negative I, so you get negative 5 times 0.8. That's all negative. That's I. VO is equal to 5 times 0.8, which is I. That's how you do the problem.